Business is calling on the Reserve Bank to deliver the biggest rate cuts since the global financial crisis. The RBA is widely expected to cut interest rates for the first time this year when it meets tomorrow. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
If you're selling flat-screen TVs or things to wear, building new homes or making products, the message to the Reserve Bank is clear. Give us the biggest rate cut since the height of the global financial crisis.
Circumstances do justify a more substantial interest rate cut in the order of 50 basis points.
Many outside the mining industry are hurting because of a strong dollar and a pullback in spending by shoppers and the government. They say interest rates are too high and the Reserve Bank has overestimated the impact of the mining boom.
It's just that it hasn't spread throughout the economy quite as much at this point that people were expecting.
The former Reserve Bank Governor Bernie Fraser is another who's calling for a cut of 50 basis points. He says policymakers have waited too long and tomorrow's expected cut of 25 basis points will be ineffective.
You have to get ahead of the game occasionally and trump those expectations.
But other former board members say it'll send the wrong signal.
I think a half does suggest a crisis.
It implies that perhaps things are a lot weaker than we thought, which probably undermines confidence, not helps it.
And if today's numbers are any guide, there are signs that the demand for borrowing and inflation are picking up ever so slightly, suggesting the Reserve Bank should possibly be a little more cautious about interest rate cuts. It also means policymakers get to see what lenders actually pass on.
You'll get probably 15 basis points of mortgage rate reductions for every 25 basis point cut in the cash rate.
And even then, there's no guarantee that money will reach the shop floor. Philip Lasker, ABC News.